everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a nighttime speed clean, time-lapse clean video for you. However you want to call it, I'm going to be cleaning. So grab your brooms, your mops, your favorite cleaner, and clean along with me. I'm going to be tackling the dining area and front room and the kitchen in today's video on this day. So you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. So I'm going to be starting off with this Entryway cleaner, and I'm going to be cleaning the table tonight. On this day we had tasty crab and the kids had pizza, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the table really well. I hope you guys had a lovely week, and I hope all of you lovely people enjoy your Mother's Day. So as you can see, my little one and my oldest one are still awake. In Virginia, the kids do not have school on Monday. It's considered a review and catch up on any work that you need to catch up on and study, what have you, on that day. So that's why they are still awake. So I'm just going to be breaking down the table that my son and my daughter used, the oldest ones used during the school week. And I'm going to be moving that one into the kitchen because my stepdaughters, they do have school on Monday. And my little one is going to help me. He is my little sidekick. I just love him so much. So he's going to be cleaning up his toys and putting his toys away. And he caught himself washing dishes, y'all. It was so funny. He had a toy and was pretending that it was a dish rack. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the little dishes that are in the sink. I have been loving this Dawn Power Wash spray. If you haven't tried it, girl, go get you some. I'm telling you, it saves a whole lot of time.
Do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up. Oh, we can go down.
Here I am going to be wiping down the stove, and then I'm going to be preparing my husband lunch. I just added the rest of his crab boil into some Tupperware, and so that he can take that for lunch. And then I'm going to be sweeping the floor and throwing away those pizza boxes.
Come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, 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 one-on-one,
Okay, we are moving into Wednesday night. I am going to be cleaning off my vanity because I did do my makeup for Instagram that day. If you are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go and follow me. So if you want to see that makeup, go follow me on Instagram. And yeah, okay. So I'm moving on to the bathroom. I'm going to be wiping down the sink because I did install a wig. And like I said, you can see that on Instagram. Y'all, I'm not shameless about my shameless Instagram plug. Okay, I'm not. So I am in the girls' room. I typically do not clean my daughter's room because that's a part of their clipboard chore. But sometimes I still have to go in there and deep clean. I didn't record all of that, but I did go ahead and wash everybody's linen, so I'm going to be adding that back to their beds. And you're going to see me put my youngest daughter's linen in the dryer because her blanket needed to be dry, so that's why I didn't add hers to the bed just yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then move on to the living room, and that's where the kids are going to be doing their last of the chores in their zone, as you see right here. And you guys, we always have fun and crack jokes and laugh and play and pillow fight, and we're just gonna go ahead and tackle the rest of the house right in these clips.
Things you're doing to me. It's like something.
Thank you for all my returning subscribers and my new ones. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope you guys have a safe and blessed Mother's Day weekend. Please be safe, enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, and you guys, I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will catch all you lovelies in my next one.